All right, if you want to uninstall depth map batch, you would go into preferences and type in depth map and then expand it out. And when I say uninstall, I mean the actual Python packages uninstall. So you'll scroll down and you'll see that all of the libraries are uninstalled, which means they are installed. So you have two options, just like the install. You have the first option is uninstall all packages button, which will uninstall all of them at the same time. And that's the preferred option for me, at least. Or alternatively, you can uninstall each one individually. So I'm just going to click on uninstall all packages button. And then when I click on it, it turns blue, which means that it's starting to uninstall all the packages. This is pretty fast, a lot faster than installing them. It still might take about, a minute. I think for me, it took about 35, 40 seconds. I'm debating whether to stop the recording or keep going. I'm going to stop the recording and then come back. All right, I'm back. That didn't take long. It was another 5 or 10 seconds after. So again, it shouldn't take that long, but you'll know when it's done when the button turns gray from blue. One quirk is it won't show that all of the packages have been uninstalled, but it actually is. The way that you can confirm it is just close out Blender entirely and then open it back up again. And then first thing you could do is just show, if you look on the side panel, you don't have the depth map batch showing up. And that's because the tool itself recognizes doesn't have all of the libraries. And in that case, it doesn't display in the panel. But you can check it's still installed and enabled. You type in depth map batch, and then when you scroll down, you'll see that all of them need to be installed. And then you'd have to go through the process to install them again. That's it.